She went to mass that morning with my wife, and she was caught up in this.
Tonight, we're also learning more about the suspect's past. Court documents show his parents filed for divorce last year, and police say people who knew him had concerns for his mental health. Lester?
Aaron McLaughlin, thank you. Just developing tonight, the Secret Service investigating how a man...
That's all? You telling me, hold on. That's all? Man, that would have been a black or Latino person. You would have gave me his whole outline of his background. You'd have told me about when he was 2, burning his middle finger. You'd have told me about everything. How come you told me about this Caucasian? Oh, his family just broke up. Damn, y'all already gonna be in court feeling sorry for the guy. Man, this man just killed 4 old people, shot at police, everything. And y'all already talk about, oh yeah, his family, his mom and daddy just broke up. You serious? Where's all the pictures of him and his friends? And what was all the gang pictures? Well, like, where's everything at? Where's all the evidence y'all go find up on everybody else, but y'all don't got none of this up on this guy? Come on, man. We got to stop with this, man. This bias ass shit going on, man. We got to stop it.